The vapor pressure of pure liquid A and B are 450 and 700 mm mercury respectively at 350 Kelvin. Find out the composition of the liquid mixture if total vapor pressure is 600 mm mercury. Also, find the composition of the vapor phase. First, we can write the given values. See, vapor pressure of pure liquid A is what? PA standard is given as 450 mm Hg, right? Now, what about vapor pressure of pure liquid B? It is 700 mm Hg. Total pressure is also given. What is that? It is 600 mm Hg. What you have to find? You have to find composition of the liquid mixture. If they ask composition, you can find the mole fraction. So you can find what? Mole fraction of A and mole fraction of B. We are supposed to find that. Also, you have to find the composition of the vapor phase. Remember, if they ask composition in the vapor phase, you have to find YA and YB. Okay, similar to mole fraction only. Now, what is YA? It is the ratio of partial pressure of component A by total pressure. Okay, similarly, partial pressure of component B by total pressure. Also remember, if you add YA plus YB, you are going to get 1, which means if you find one of this YA or YB, you can find the other one by subtracting it from the 1. Okay, which means YB is equal to 1 minus YA. Okay, so it's a very easy question. Okay, now see total pressure. Total pressure is 600, right? Total pressure is equal to PA plus PB. Now we know what is PA and PB. What is PA? PA is PA standard chi A, which you already learned, right? What is PB? PB is equal to PB standard chi B. Remember, PA means it is the partial vapor pressure of component A in the solution. And what is PA standard? It is the vapor pressure of the pure liquid A. Okay. Similarly, PB is what? Partial vapor pressure of the component B in the solution. Okay. Substituting the values of PA and PB, the equation become what? PT is equal to PA standard chi A plus PB standard chi B, right? Now, we know chi A plus chi B is equal to 1, right? Chi A plus chi B is equal to 1. In some of your teachers may be saying x. Okay, xa plus xb, both are same. Okay, now instead of chi b, what we can write? 1 minus chi a. Okay, I'm substituting that here. PT is equal to PA standard chi a plus PB standard into 1 minus chi a, right? So PT is equal to PA standard chi A plus PB standard minus PB standard chi A. Now PT is equal to what? PB standard you can take first, then chi A is common, right? So chi A, then what is left? See, it is PA standard minus PB standard. Just substitute the values, okay? So what is that? 600. What is PB standard? See, PB standard is 700, right? 700 plus chi A. We don't know chi A. That is the only unknown here. What is PA standard? PA standard is 450 minus what is PB standard? 700. Now it is easy for you to calculate chi A, right? On simplifying, you will be getting chi A is equal to 0.4. That step you have to do by yourself. Okay. Now what is chi B? Chi A plus chi B is equal to 1. So what is chi B? Chi B is equal to 1 minus chi A, 0.4, you will be getting 0.6. So we got the first answer. Composition of the liquid phase is what? 0.4 chi A and 0.6 chi B. Hope you understand. Now we have to find what? Composition of the vapor phase. This is the equation to find the composition of the vapor phase. Okay. For that you need PA and PB. How to find PA and PB? You already know the equation. It is PA standard chi A. And what is PB? PB standard chi B. So what is PA standard chi A? All values you know. It is 450 into 0.4, right? But you will be getting 180. On calculating, you will be getting 180. And PB standard is what? PB standard is 700. What is chi B? 0.6. On calculating, you will be getting 420. Okay. Now direct substitution. Okay. PA is what? 180 by 180 plus 420. You will be getting 0.3. Okay, 0.3. Now here you can find YB like 1 minus YA. You will be getting YB. Okay. So what is that? 1 minus 0.3. What is that? 0.7. Oh, also this method is also okay. PB is what? PB is 420 by 180 plus 420. Again you will be getting 0.7. Okay. That's it.